Instructomania presents the economy of ancient Egypt. This video will detail which natural resources were available to ancient Egyptians, the types of goods ancient Egyptians produced, with whom products were traded, the methods of transportation used to trade, and obstacles Egyptian traders had while transporting goods. The word economy through a historian's lens means how a civilization makes money through the buying and selling of goods and services. Some examples may include utilizing resources and trade routes, producing agriculture, and manufacturing products in order to make money. What natural resources were available and which products were produced by ancient Egyptians? The existence of ancient Egypt centered around the Nile River. This 4,160-foot-long waterway offered food, drinking water, and irrigation for crops. In addition, its flooding season deposited good farming soil onto the Nile banks. This fertile land became the basis for Egypt's agricultural economy. Most of the food grown in ancient Egypt were grains such as barley and wheat. However, they also grew vegetables such as onions, leeks, cabbages, beans, cucumbers, and lettuce. Egyptians mined gold from the southern hills surrounding the Nile, especially near Nubia. Egyptians used various clays from the banks of the Nile River to make ornate pottery. Many types of pottery became prized all over the ancient world for its beauty and practicality as a vessel to hold trade goods. Egyptian artisans also created papyrus paper, linen cloth, and gold jewelry to trade with foreign buyers. Who did ancient Egyptians trade with, and in what ways were goods transported? The ancient Egyptians traded with peoples in Africa, the Mediterranean region such as Greece and Rome, and as far east as Asia. They often traded with other regions for raw materials such as cedarwood and other timber, precious stones, copper, silver, oils, and smaller livestock. Ancient Egyptians sent trade products via land by way of caravans and also became able sailors, taking products across the Mediterranean Sea and Indian Oceans to other civilizations. Pirates on the Mediterranean Sea and Indian Ocean, as well as caravan robbers, were a threat, often interfering with trade. Let's play Track the Trade Goods. Can you track the product on a map? In this game, there will be 3 products departing at once from different areas to different destinations. In this first round, you will track the pottery as it travels on the map. There will be other products that may distract you, but keep your eyes on the pottery. Watch the product closely as it travels on the map. So where did the pottery end up? Was it Mesopotamia, Africa, Rome, or Egypt? That's right, that pottery ended up in Rome. Let's play again. This time you will track the barley. Where did the barley end up? Was it Mesopotamia, Africa, Rome, or Egypt? That's right, it ended up in Mesopotamia. Let's play one last time. This time you will track the linen. Where did the linen end up? Was it Mesopotamia, Africa, Rome, or Egypt? That's right, it ended up in Africa. As you can see from the game, making money motivated ancient Egyptians to grow crops, make products, and travel vast lands to trade. Consider this. In what ways does making money motivate you and your friends? Be prepared to support your answer with examples. From 2 teachers to all of you amazing teachers out there, we would like to thank you for choosing our resources to use in your classroom. Find more Instructomania teaching materials and lessons at our Instructomania store and on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for your support.